Hi everyone and welcome back. Upon the request of many who have missed my voice, I am back again with another exciting recipe. These days I have so many mangoes around me I don't know what to do with them. So today I decided to make some delicious mango chutney. You won't believe how easy this recipe is, and it's so much better than the stuff that you can get at the shops. So to start, we're going to peel and ever so carefully cut 5 large mangoes into chunks. I prefer to choose firm mangoes for this recipe because I like my chutney slightly chunky and not in the form of a paste. So we're just going to cut those and set them aside. You want to cut the mangoes into large chunks because they will be cooking for an hour on the stove, which gives them plenty of time to break down. So do try for larger chunks. Many people have asked if it's possible to use frozen mangoes for this chutney. I say go for it, but do expect that the mangoes will break down faster and you may not get those large chunks in the final product. Now we're just going to heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan and throw in 2 teaspoons of fresh minced ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 crushed red chilli. Adding the chili is totally optional, but it gives the chutney a delicious flavour. You just want to saute that for 1 minute. You don't want any colour on the ginger or the garlic. So now we're just going to add the spices. It's 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of nigella seeds. Saute that for another minute just to toast the spices. You'll really begin to get that delicious smell. Add those mangoes, in they go, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of white vinegar. This will help to balance out the chutney. Can you use apple cider vinegar? Yeah, of course you can. If you don't have white synthetic vinegar, go for apple cider vinegar. Bring this mixture to a rapid boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover and cook for about an hour to maybe an hour 15, depending on how low the heat is. Just let it bubble away and go pop the kettle on. Have a cup of tea or coffee, maybe some biscuits, maybe a cream cake. Just let it do its thing. As you can see, after half an hour, the mangoes begin to break down, but aren't soft yet. And after an hour, the chutney is ready. I prefer a chunky chutney, but if you feel the mango chunks are too much for you, then you can mash them slightly with a fork. Pour into jars and store in a cool, dry place for a couple months. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you give this a go and let me know what you think in the comments below. Much love and have a good one. Bye.